including, check this out, near collision with UFO captured on camera, Singapore Airlines. Someone sent this to me on Twitter. And this apparently just happened, January 17th, 2021, between 7:30 and 7:50 a.m. You have a Singapore Airlines plane headed to Zurich Airport. The pilot is about to land. You see him make a maneuver, and you see an unidentified object just kind of fly past. You can go to about the halfway point of the video. They don't need to watch the whole thing. This person was just filming the landing of the vehicle. That's the report. And what I'm going to need you to do is watch for the plane to start to turn. It's, you know, as you would do, I suppose. Look at this. Now watch by the wing. Look near the wing. Keep an eye. Keep an eye. It's coming. It's coming. Boom. Did you see it?
Yes, I did.
Okay, what did you see Willie do?
It was like a white object.
Was it traveling quickly?
Yes.
How quickly?
Oh, there it is.
There it is. You paused on it.
It's so quick that it's a complete blur.
It's a blur, isn't it?
You can't even identify it.
You can't identify it, can you? Now, this particular article suggests that it's not a drone or a bird because it didn't show up on radar. And they're also speculating that this is some kind of a maneuver the pilot was pulling to miss it.
Oh.
Because it wasn't on radar. And then it popped up and he had to make a manual move.
It's not a Starlink satellite there.
This article says that the video proves that the pilot is aware and prepared to dodge the UFO. It also says that the passengers were panicking as the pilot followed safety protocol. Now, I don't know. I'm on Yahoo News. Is this stuff? I don't know any. Like, where is this posted
discrediting
from?
It?
Hang on a second. No, I'm not discrediting Yahoo News. I don't know. Is it vetted? Like, it's just a video. It's not on YouTube. Like, I don't even know. What is the
if
source?
It's not on YouTube. It's definitely
but
not
for real,
right?
What is the source of this video? Is anyone else talking about this video? Maybe that's a better question. Near collision. I'm going to copy this headline. I mean,
okay.
This is just, I just got to do a little bit of detective work here. Isn't that what anybody would do? Just a tiny bit. Let's see if it's posted anywhere else. Okay. IndiaTimes.com, Lad Bible, independent.co.uk. So, yeah, I guess it's been reported in a couple different places. It's unclear what the object was, a passenger on board. Yeah. It looks like a very similar article. It's impossible to say what the object was as it moved out of shot too quickly. It's the latest in a string of incidents involving near misses between aircraft and objects. So, but it's definitely moving. It's not a static object in the sky.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely moving.
And it seems big.
At a rapid pace. What a way to go out. What a way to end the show. There's no better way than a UFO.